Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. So today we have the Nomadic Fior 555 GMT. This time I'll do the video a little bit different, as I have the watch only on loan for 1 week. So I'll just try to wear it the whole week and make it snippets every couple of days on my experience of wearing it and having like a cumulative experience review, kind of unboxing review, first impressions at the same time. Unfortunately, not going to be able to do a long-term or review or whatever, but at least I think this will give you a feeling of how the watch will be throughout its lifetime. So first off, we have the box, which is quite nice, like a wooden box. I'm not a big fan of boxes, fancy boxes, as I already have so many boxes, and I'd rather have a travel, let's say travel pack or travel roll or whatever. But yeah, each their own. Maybe if you're getting your first watch or the crown of your collection, you would like to have like a box with it. So you get like a marketing pamphlet, stay true, Nomadic, the Fíor 555 GMT watch, some information about the watch, some pictures, Belfast here as well, built in Belfast, telling time and truth. A lot of marketing jargon, that's the important stuff. 5-year guarantee, which is great. Not a lot of micro brands do this. How to work the GMT hands if you didn't work it before. It's also telling you have a ceramic bi-directional bezel, so that's also good to know. And you get the address in Belfast. So what we have here is, like I said, a GMT automatic watch from Nomadic. They are a micro brand. I have anything here else. And put this actually here. Close it. Close the box. Move this so you can see the watch. So we have a, let me get a caliper, 41 millimeters in diameter. Let's say 49 lug to lug. Thickness about 12.5, let's say, and lug width is, I think it's 20, just to be sure. It's 20 millimeters, tapers down to 16. You have a 316L steel case and bracelet, very nice bracelet links, 5-link bracelet, as you can see, milled clasp with micro adjustment, quite nice. And you have even spring bars, so you can remove the bracelet, which I will do to show you. One thing I really like about the watch is the rotor. You have like a ball bearing rotor, really nice looking. Lots of smidges. Let me get something to clean that with. Quite nice. As you can see, 200 meters water resistant. I think they even added salt water now. In the website they added salt water resistant. Anti-magnetic, and you have the Sellita SW330-2 GMT movement, 28,800 beats per hour, 25 joules. Hacking, I think. Yeah, hacking hand winding, and it moves. Yeah, perfect. Looks quite nice. Let me do it like this. Screw down crown to ensure the 300 meters water resistance. Ceramic bezel, bi-directional, quite nice. And let me check the lume. So we have lume on the bezel and lume on the hands and indices as well. So as you can see, I'll do a lume video today, so also upload it after or before this video, maybe after it better. I like the green dial. I think it's a dark green to blackish bezel, goes really well with the green and yellow. I think they have other colors. I'll make this add these information like I said in the next parts. I have like a stamp here on the leg, on the lug, as you can see. That's quite first for me. But yeah, this watch is, I think, 2,000 euros, and until now it's very well built, as you'd expect from a 2,000 euro watch. Might compare it to other watches in that price range. I have a couple at the moment at my desk to review, so I might make a compiling of watches. But anyways, I'll come back to you after a couple of days of wearing and let you know what I think about the Nomadic Fior 555 GMT. So for you, it will be a couple of seconds later. For me, it will be a couple of days. So I adjusted the bracelet, and for the past couple of days I've been wearing it on the bracelet, and I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised with the bracelet. It's very sturdy, feels really nice, and like I said, the micro adjustment makes it perfect on the wrist. So basically the exact size that's needed, not so big, not too small. And what I found out is this is a dark green, not a black ceramic bezel. And one thing also is that the micro adjustment here just needs a small push to forward and backward, and then you can move it like this. So what else did I like about the watch? I really liked the accuracy until now. It's doing really well. Price is a little bit over what I would want to pay for a GMT watch, but like I said, you get the Sellita movement, and as you can see, the rotor here is pretty cool. The build quality is excellent, and I will do a video to compare this to another GMT watch. Maybe not compare it is the right word, but to put them together to show you the two types of GMT watches. One with a GMT bezel and the other one with timing bezel. Each has their function, each has their place. But like I said, I really enjoyed it with the bracelet. Like I said, really easy to take it off, as you can see. Excellent finish on the watch, and this rotor, this ball bearing rotor, very smooth, silent as well, doesn't make a lot of sound or no sound at all. And I tried it also on this Artem sailcloth strap, and it did actually wear quite well, like I'll show you here. I made a lume video the past couple of days, so be sure to check out the lume video after this first impression videos. And these first impression videos I usually do when I don't have a long time to spend with the watch and I have to send the watch back to the manufacturer. So I do these kinds of videos like interrupted. So I do the unboxing, and then a couple of days later I do a part of the first impressions, just to capture wearing experience. What I didn't like also, it's like a smidge, as you can see, anytime I touch it, it does get dirty so quickly. Don't know why, but maybe because of the polish. As you can see here now, it's clean, and This is how it looks on my wrist. Like I said, 17.1 centimeter wrist. So check their watches out. This is the Fior 555 GMT with the Sellita movement. Check them out and let me know in the comment section what you think about this watch and what you think about GMT watches in general. And hopefully see you in the next one. Subscription button will be here. Please don't forget to subscribe. And 2 videos on the left and on the right that might interest you as well. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.